guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, first of all, this is a video I have been sitting on for a while. I have uploaded it on my Instagram and TikTok account just to kind of get a feel for what people would say and think of this particular hairstyle. And I would love to have a, open educational discussion about traditional hairstyles like this on my platform. So feel free to chime in into this discussion because I honestly was so shocked by the outrage that I received from when we posted this hairstyle on our platform. So first of all, let me just personalize this experience. So I grew up in Africa, and hairstyles like these were, a huge part of my childhood. I grew up, doing hair threading as an actual hairstyle back in Benin City. Like this was a normal hairstyle, and we would pick from different styles or different version of this hairstyle from a little magazine poster at the hair salon, and this would be our hairstyle. I would go to school in this hairstyle. I would see my friends in this hairstyle. I would go to sleep in this hairstyle. Until this very day, there are still people I know in America that use this hairstyle as a form of hair stretching technique, as a form of protective styling technique to just give their hair a break. And even in Nigeria, there are still people that are not in, circular areas like Lagos. So I'm sure even in Lagos, there are some parts where people still wear this hairstyle, down to where I'm from in Benin City, where people still wear this hairstyle. So to get such an, outrageous response from people about how can you do this hairstyle? It looks so ugly, da da da. Yes, the model was not smiling. She was a model. She's not a paid client. This is not a hairstyle that she wanted to do on herself, So I understand why people saw expressions and were like, oh, okay, oh, the model doesn't even like the hair, da da da. It's not about that. She was paid and paid very well for this video, but that's beside the point. My question now is, why does this hairstyle trigger people so much? Why does the very thought of actually wearing this hairstyle out and about in 2024 trigger people so much? I found this hairstyle to be absolutely beautiful. I would still wear this hairstyle in today's day and age. I would confidently go to Walmart and grocery shop in this hairstyle in today's day and age and rock it confidently. Truth is, it's really not about the hairstyle, it's about the person, okay? If you don't have the confidence to wear this hair, then you don't have the confidence to wear this hair. If you're too self-conscious, then this is not the hairstyle for you. So I think this is a great technique to utilize, if you're looking to stretch out your hair as well. If you don't want to put heat on your hair, this is an amazing, incredible technique that has been done for ages. And another thing that was so odd that people were complaining about was the edges. The lack of edge control and baby hair bothered people so much that they were like, oh my god, what's going on with her edges? At least do something to the edges. Like, what do you mean do something to the edges? It's honestly, it's giving anti-black, and let's talk about it. Why is untouched and undone edges so worrisome to everybody? Like, why does that communicate unkept, hygiene? Why does that communicate undone? Why does that communicate unfinished? Why does your edges have to be flat, straight, or what do you call it, slapped with 5, 10 layers of edge control, swiveled in little, racial ambiguous curls on your perimeter for you to feel like your hair is done? Like, it's so strange. Can we actually unpack that? Because I honestly don't understand that, and it bothers me. But yeah, guys, we really need to do better because it's really damaging. And I think maybe just the conditioning of, what we see in on social media, or even just the wig culture and the frontal culture of us having to have perfect baby hair all the time and has to look a certain way, even when we're wearing wigs, or when we have our hair braided, when you have your hair silk pressed, even when you have your hair natural and you're wearing your shrunken fro, you still have to worry about making sure that your edges look good. Like, your edges are your edges. They look good because they are your edges, not because you have to manipulate them 5,000 different ways to get them to look good or make them socially, acceptable or presentable, to it's just, it's too much. Can we just like free the edges? Like, please. But yeah, guys, I am done ranting. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would honestly love to hear your feedback. And let me know, is this something you would wear in today's day and age? If you would, why? If you would not, also tell me why. And let's talk about it, because the conversation definitely needs to be had. One thing about trends, and they always find a way to circle back. And I feel like those trendy hairstyles back in the day, they always find their way back. And I feel like hairstyles like these will always come back, but they tend to come back in a form of like high fashion. Like, let's say, for instance, a brand is doing a shoot and they have the models, doing these unique avant-garde quote unquote hairstyles, but really they're just hairstyles back in the day that we used to wear and we no longer wear because they're deemed no longer socially acceptable. So yeah, let me know, should we bring this back, and will I see you in Walmart aisle picking, avocado and tomatoes wearing this hairstyle? Let me know. Have a merry day and God bless.